स्टार्ट झाला.
Can we start with it?
Yes.
In motor protection, what are the various faults it can occur? Basically, first and foremost thing.
Or voltage or current,
Over voltage, over current, phase failure, phase reversal,
right?
earth leakage, stall, lock. Have you heard about this stall lock? Whenever the current is 300 times, that is, when the motor current is 1 ampere, if the current going through the motor is above 3 to 3.5 ampere, then the rotor and the stator will be in a lock position. The stator will not get rotated. So that is called as lock condition. Stall means stall and lock are both are almost same. If the motor current is more than 200 ampere, it is called as stall. If it is more than 300%, it is called as lock. You can observe to here, sir. So over current, under current, stall, lock, phase reverse, phase failure. These are the asymmetric and ground fault. And these all are done through a single relay. Right? These all the faults are done through a single relay. It's called as digital motor protection relay.
Okay.
Also, it's called as DMPR or EMPR. Electrical motor protection relay or directional motor protection relay. Digital motor protection relay. And that relay is this. Fine.
Okay.
This can be performed with over voltage, under voltage, over voltage, under current, over current, stall, lock, phase reverse, phase failure, asymmetric, ground fault.
Okay.
These are the things. And you can observe here, phase failure. What happens in a phase failure? Any one of the phase should get cut open. So we cannot just, in a live line, we cannot just take on one single phase. So we are given a phase failure switch. At one position, it will be in a normal condition. You can just see it over. At one condition, it will be in a normal position. At second position, if you turn on the second position, this will blow such that it will be in an open condition. This NC will be kept on normally connected, will be gone on normally open. Next is phase reversal. What happens if the phase reverse happens?
Direction of
The
motor
flux, the direction of the motor changes, or the flux creates in a reverse direction. So you can observe here, you have phase reversal switch. So when you turn on this law indicates Y phase will be connected to Y phase will be connected to B phase, and B is connected to Y. So here reverse interchange. This is earth leakage. So you will be connecting a rheostat from any one of the phases to ground.
Here we are connecting B phase.
B phase. So for earth leakage. Next is timer start or stop. So there and all you have some toggle switch, and here also you have some fault simulation switch, right? So similarly, you have a timer start or stop switch. When you turn it on, it starts rotating. So it starts to counting.
It will also in milliseconds.
Yeah, it's also in seconds only. It will show in seconds. Those will be tripped in a millisecond, so it shows in a millisecond. This will be shown in a seconds only. And first and foremost thing, I will tell the settings of this. Here you have function. Next is test or set or reset. Next is display. Next is select push button. This is current, this is timer. Okay. All the things of this we have been.
Manual मध्ये आहे.
You can take
Recording
a
पण आहे ना आपल्याला.
well, you can just cross verify it through the connection also. operating instructions.
Kernel संपलं काही.
Operating instruction.
Right? These are the, I said, what are these fault simulation switches are for? This is for phase failure, this is for phase reversal, this is for earth leakage, and this is for timer starter stopper. This indicates whether the panel or the motor has been in a fault condition or in a good condition. If it blows means it will be in a fault condition. If it is in off condition, it will be in a normal operating mode. Accept push button, reset push button. These are the two terminals for motor turn on and turn off. So we will turn on induction motor. Fine. Now you can observe no load current is 3.5 ampere. Why the no load current will be so high?
No load current.
No load current of induction motor.
Hi. मोटर मोटर नो लोड कंडिशन हाय असतो स्टार्टिंग करंट हायच असतो ना आणि
As in induction motor, obviously the no load current will be of 30 to 60% of the full load current.
that is starting current
Starting
current
current.
starting current that we should have starting
It's in operating mode. When you leave like this, it will be in operating till the day ends. So like that, start creating the code.
yes yes
Phase failure. You can also hear phase failure.
right
And the EMPR relay will go switch one. You have to listen this. Accept this button. So we get clocks. We will be spinning the water like that.
clock
मामांना
पाहिजे
जाऊ-
clock
मामांना जाऊ सांगावं लागेल.
हा, पुसायला घ्या.
जाऊ दे ना.
त्यांना जाऊन दे.
हां.
कपडा कपडा
कपडा घ्या कपडा
कपडा आला
ते पाणी सांड लागलं पुसावं लागेल
It is okay for you, I can just start the water.
ओके
Yes,
वी
sir.
कॅन अरेंज आफ्टरवर्ड्स मॅडम मामा इकडे
For phase reversal,
राहू दे नंतर करू
for phase reversal, you put on the switch on, then you do the experiment. RP, phase reversal, reverse phase.
reset accept what is the use of accept we are
You are accepting the
accepting
fault.
fault.
Then you can reset.
Next
So next is
fault.
lock. We can do first install, then lock. To do install, performing install, I have created a simple method. First you are setting a current right here. This is the no load current. 3.5 you are setting right till now. So make it 1 ampere. Your no load current is now 1 ampere. As you are setting the relay current setting is 1 ampere, but it is taking 3 ampere. So obviously it is
More than 1
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
right
You turn on the motor such that the relay trips and showing a lock condition.
one can
Yellow is lock. Shall I perform it again?
येस
Wishes are available. What is the time for that operation?
7 to 10 seconds.
10 seconds. It is more than that.
चार बंद होतं का टायमर पहिल्यांदा
Right.
20
You can also, it is by program?
Yeah, this is program.
We can reduce that time.
Yeah, you can reduce the time. Reduce it.
Okay. यहाँ पर बहुत
हाँ हाँ
कमिट टाइम में भी कमिट टाइम में भी है
ब्रेकिंग
Okay, it is
I'll get the timer 10 seconds.
that pointer for the time.
next one for point timer and first one for
Current.
की फिर से बताओ ना कौन सी बनते हैं फर्स्ट वन
That upper one, small.
1 2 3 4 है ना फर्स्ट वन
Okay, function
फंक्शन
for programming.
प्रोग्रामिंग
Next is for test or set button.
पहिलं काय म्हणले
Next is
फंक्शन
display.
फर्स्ट इज
First is
फंक्शन
function. We have given there. It's not given.
इट्स ओके फंक्शन
First is function. Here it's been printed. Function, test or reset,
टेस्ट
or reset, display, select, current, time.
okay.
टेस्ट में whenever I'm doing the testing so that suppose page failure
Okay.
I have to press that one no?
No, you keep in this position. Okay. Now normal position. Face reversal.
after test it will show na
After test, it will
after
show.
press
कमी करो ना.
कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करायला पाहिजे टेस्ट म्हणायचं मग ते बंद करायचं
It's in a long position.
Both are in, it is in lock condition.
In the meanwhile, I will tell you how to set the parameters. Test it. So the relay will get tripped. Then function. First is characteristics. You have to choose either normal inverse or definite type. So select. This is definite type. Next. This is definite type. Undercurrent. Ground fault. Stall. Lock. CD ratio, don't do anything because we have internally placed a CD. Phase failure. Store. There are 9 functions. Go to the first.
Whatever will be given below that, no? That all functions.
Yeah, these are the things. Characteristic.
firstly we will have to set a function then only we are able
What is
to
the use of?
then only we are able to do no
Then only you are able to program definite time or inverse
If I want to perform this first overcurrent
Okay.
at that time,
At
what
that
are
time, you can just turn on the overcurrent and you can load the voltage. So, or you can load the mechanical loading you can load the induction motor. So if it crosses the overcurrent, that is 120 to 180%, then it will indicate as
okay, we can show one by one overcurrent,
Okay.
undercurrent. difference.
midday, night inverse म्हणाला ना.
Characteristics. What is sir? First it is characteristics.
Characteristics, inverse or definite time. Anything you can operate.
Okay.
2 seconds. Second one, 2 second definite time is
Definite time for 2 seconds. Or definite time 2 seconds.
Third one, reverse phase protection.
Reverse phase protection.
Undercurrent,
On.
ground fault,
Reverse
stop,
phase protection is on condition.
Mm-hmm.
Undercurrent
undercurrent,
30%.
30%.
Next ground fault
0.005.
0.05.
After setting of all these functions, whenever we are running the motor, that is operating.
Yeah.
That is means we can say that we are fixing the range
Yes.
of each fault. Okay. For that purpose, we are using that function.
Install on
Lock,
now 200%.
200%. CT ratio.
CD ratio
One.
100.
Where at 1 it is
Heat failure,
Yes.
on.
On.
store,
Store. What is the store?
Yeah. Once you program to it, that you have to store it. Once you program, you cannot leave that. You have to store it. So you have to store it.
Okay. Means if I made any change, and at that time we have to always keep by using the store.
current,
Current. Last is current.
Current. Your no load current you have to set. So your no load current is 3.6 or 3.4. That's
That is the key for current.
current. Is it key for
Time. Okay. It's time start, stop.
Time
You can
start, stop.
use in both all fault condition.
All fault conditions.
Means
If you are creating a fault through switches, directly it will show. Other than that, you have to make it through the
Okay.
switch.
earth leakage fault is there, no? Last one. Last one. Last
Earth
one is
leakage.
remaining. Earth fault.
Earth fault is remaining.
Earth leakage.
I want that reverse. Yes, sir.
Earth fault is Earth fault is right, no? Phase reversal झाला. Sir, we have performed all these phase failure,
Phase reverse.
phase reversal.
Earth leakage.
Now it is earth leakage. What about this overcurrent?
Overcurrent, undercurrent, and
Right.
रेजिस्टर थ्रू कनेक्ट केला एक फेज आणि ग्राउंड शॉर्ट केलं ना
रेजिस्टन्स मध्ये कनेक्ट करणार आहे ना.
न्यूट्रल रेजिस्ट्री लोड लावला डायरेक्ट पण करू
Direct can also make direct. Just because wire is also have its own resistance.
क्लॉक
Yes. 9 number part. GF. GF.
in in CV also.
because the current rating is only 10 ampere, more than 10 ampere.
Why it is not started at the starting point before that?
Before the current setting was under low current. So
Okay. You say that we have to set it up to 3.5.
yes,
Then also that is not starting.
there is a main supply side.
Main supply.
Where it's
खाली
It is only 6 amperes. We have given 10
Yeah.
ampere. It should be more than 10 ampere. At least it's
It is
less than
10 ampere. 6 ampere. This is 10 and this is 6.
That should be 16 at least.
यार आता सत्तर नसेल आपल्याला त्याचा पॉईंट नाही ना आपला मेन सप्लाय लावा लागेल त्याला
हा वाढून घेतलेला आहे का?
So only ground fault through rheostat only. Don't make it direct.
ओके
That is the main thing.
येस right it is strict
That is also 16.
16 no
Yes.
and why this काय प्रॉब्लेम 16 असून पण ट्रिप झाला
करंट जास्त झालं असेल ना, डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट केला होता ना आपण.
डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट करायलाच नाही पाहिजे ऑलवेज वी हॅव टू यूज दिस रिओस्टॅट
That will be better.
और फॉल्ट जो है वो रिओस्टॅट कंपल्सरी लावायची आप ट्रिप
Next. Overcurrent.
कुछ प्रॉब्लेम
लॉक पोझिशन झाली, लॉकची सेटिंग झाली.
why that problem is always creating
No, sir, as
And
the
lock.
minimum current. So,
or lock
for
position,
lock position.
1 ampere. So can we increase that lock position current?
Have increased it. Take it now.
if any problem that type of problem is there that time we have to increase the current
Increase the current, turn on it. Make it.
okay
Make it on. Shall I load it?
yes sir please overset कर देंगे overcorrect
4.8.
under under low condition
Under
Underload is about 30 to 90%.
whether
that
that
shows
overload or
overload no
underload.
sir OL
OL or
Underload is
in.
under. I did underload. The no load current is 3.5 ampere.
yeah.
So if it is 70%, what it may be? Around 2.5.
under load
But that indication is OL or UL,
2 times. OL, overload.
overload.
2 times.
overloading हो गया क्या वो?
OL. Underload means you have to increase the sector.
under
I said reverse side. I said ulta. I said reverse.
Condition for overload.
basically you can just see the observation or underload what is the condition. Underload.
इवन वही हम स्टैंडर्ड करेंगे नॉर्मल रनिंग कर हाँ सिक करेंगे गरज नहीं 3.5 जो आहे ना हा तर नॉर्मल रनिंग करंट आहे पण ओव्हरलोडसाठी ओव्हर करंट दाखवतो 3.6 केलं आहे 3 पॉईंट काहीतरी 6 पॉईंट समथिंग केलं आहे ओव्हर करंट झाला आणि 2.8 जो 2.4 आहे 2.6 आहे तो अंडर करंट तो सेट करावा लागतो
ते दोन्ही एकच पॉईंटवर आहे ना
एकाच पॉईंटवर
कसं कसं ओळखायचं
Adjust the load.
हा करंट व्हेरी करायची गरजच नाही 3.5 हा त्या मोटरचा स्टँडर्ड करंट झाला ठीक आहे याला व्हेरी अंडर आणि ओव्हर करू शकतो ना आपण तिथून वाढून
Greater than 90.
मोटर रन केल्यानंतर एक वेळा मोटरला आपण नॉर्मल रनिंग करणार 3.5 वर त्याच्यानंतर त्याला ओव्हर करू शकतो किंवा अंडर करू शकतो ते व्हेरिएशन करावं लागेल त्यासाठी एक वेळा रनिंग झाल्यानंतर व्हेरिएशन आपल्याला रनिंग झाल्यानंतर
It's 1.5.
आता तेच करते ना 1.5 लॉक
So we can make lunch. After that we can.
Only log side, undercurrent, overcurrent and undercurrent is right? Okay.
yes sir
Stall.
that two one is the main
Stop.
Now we have completed.
Stall is 200%. Stall and log 200 and 300%. These three points.
okay
Completed.
no it's 3 points remaining
Three, they have completed. Only these three are completed.
Right.
after
Reversal.
lunch we will continue
Reversal, phase fault.
Yes,
Reverse fault.
This
asymmetry
asymmetry is different type of faults. Whichever you do, like whenever you load it, only two loads and one load is zero. That becomes an asymmetry.
asymmetrical three phase
Only the experiment is done.
For one phase, if it is current is different.
Yes,
that comes
so
under
only the experiment is done.
yes,
So whoever prefer to it, will.
What
They
is
also made
CBCT?
that protection.
You can also, but for only industrial panels, you will of the
If the
college.
student asking about this form, that time what we can show.
You just say and conditional. You are not taken.
Theoretically, we can
We can teach them.
What is the application of that CBCT?
It is a bounded circuit, sir. Like it is a round circuit,
Cyclic board.
not circuit board. CP something is there. CP is current transformer. CP something is there. Coil board or something. Coil bounded current transformer. Or coil board current transformer. is there.
Okay.
So you can just look into that.
This means म्हणजे आपलं एकच आहे ना.
Our relay will take only 1 ampere maximum. So we have to just decrease the current or step down the current. My motor is taking of 4.7, but my relay is taking only 1 ampere. So we will use CTs. Like same in a differential. The differential relay will take only 1 ampere. And my motor is taking 5 ampere. So 5 bar 1.
Only on that peak only we have this type of we have one price, one transform.
Impedance and ABCD parameter.
We require one more time for that.
Sure, sir.